Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to discuss about this blue sheet that I have in front of me. So it's a mobile gadget, trust me it is. So if you didn't know what the channel is about, well, it's Laashaktech. We talk about tech, unbox and review. I also make tutorial videos. So let's dive right into the video. Privacy. So these days we have everything stored on our phones, right? Well, we need privacy, does it? So I mean, if you're going on public transports, people might peek in your phone. So that's exactly why this blue sheet, well, this blue tempered glass is made for. So you apply this on a phone and, well, you can only see the content viewing from the straight perspective. So the view angle should be exactly in front of the screen, or else no one can like peek on your phone. For example, if you're going on your, well, a public transport or in a car, no one can peek on your phone or they can't see what you're looking at. Well, it has certain cons. The problem is you don't have a good video quality. Since the whole thing is blue, you just can use it for texting or any other stuff that you want to keep it to yourself. But when you're watching videos, oh my gosh, you're not gonna get the best colors. Everything is gonna become blue, and the next problem is that, for example, for demonstrating that is I'm not sticking it on the phone, but what I'm going to do is, so this phone has an in-display fingerprint, and to make that work, it doesn't. The phone cannot detect my fingerprint, like cannot. So make sure that you have well, you know all the cons about this tempered glass. It's really useful in situations where people might peek on your phone, but like it's not really worth it in the sense where you can't game properly. The sensitivity of your phone's touch is really reducing, and you can't get your in-display fingerprint to work. So is it really worth it? I would say yes, if you're not a day-to-day person, and if you, well, go through a lot of sensitive information like your bank details, and or you text a lot and you use the public transportation a lot. Well, this might be it for you, but for people who game and watch videos on their phone, probably not the best device that I would suggest for them. Well, that's gotta be it, and thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace. Just before leaving the video, I wanted to say that this product is not sponsored, and the way I found it is I was scrolling through well, a random tech site, and I ran across this thing. I was really shocked and surprised that this thing can block others from peeking your phone. So I just got one and made a video of it. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.